it's me, Sarah. If you don't know who I am, I'm the owner of Speaking of Bangles. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell for more videos. Why not? Like, why not stay for you know, what the hell am I doing? Okay, cut. Sarah, come on, focus. If you are new here, why not like, comment, and subscribe to see more of this channel, like, and to see more Mr. Kermie. You see him back there? He's just chilling. Okay, that's not the point, Sarah. Let's just get on to the video. If you guys haven't watched my first ever video, why not go watch it? Learn some things. You know, most of y'all come over to this channel because you're trying to learn how to start a bangle business, how to become a bangle business owner, or how to become a business owner in general. It doesn't matter what you're selling. I thought I would give y'all, you know, a little peek of, you know, everyday things I do as a business owner. And the most important thing for business is inventory. If you don't have inventory, there ain't no way you're gonna be able to sell unless you're doing drop shipping. But drop shipping is like, I don't know, one of those days I'm gonna try it, but not now. But so I have a bunch of inventory. I have over 5,000 or 6,000 charms. I'm not sure how many. I think it's in the range of 7,000. I don't know, it's a lot because it was heavy. I really struggling bringing those charms over here. So yeah, it's heavy, very heavy. So yeah, I'm not gonna put anything on my bed. I refuse to even, like, I only leave it on the ground when I'm unboxing. It's either I put it on the counter, but this is way too heavy to put on the counter. It probably snapped the whole desk, so I'm not gonna do that. So we're gonna, you know, unbox from the floor. If you guys like this video, make sure you like and comment and tell me what other videos y'all want to see from me next. Period. Now let's go on to the video. Oh yeah, by the way, before you get on to the video, why not check out my personal channel? I have a personal channel. I do hair, makeup, and all that. But this channel is just, you know, business wise, so why not check that out? Okay, on a real note, let's get started for the video. Okay, y'all, so this is an angle. This is an angle. So yeah, do not mind my toes. Don't look at my toes. Okay, so we're just gonna sit down here and we're just gonna unbox charms. So y'all, let me back it up a little bit, because why is it so... Y'all, I know I got gremlin feet right now, but that's not the point. So straight to the unboxing. So the amount of inventory that I have is probably like around the 7,000s. The cost, I think I spent to $2,000. I'm not sure, but yeah, I spent pretty much a bag on this. Oh god, this shit is like, why is it so beefy? Like, damn, Big Bertha.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for.
The box, right? Period. So when you first open the box, let's unravel it. Oh, let me film some TikToks while I'm doing this. Honestly, there's no need to film TikToks. Wait, is there? I don't freaking know. Well, you know what? I'm gonna film while I do this. This could be great content. By the way, y'all, I'm going to do like content, you know, haul, like a little, like, what gadgets I use. And this gadget, baby, this baby is amazing. Okay, so we got these. Y'all can't really see that, but we got these. Okay, this looks like a way better angle now. So now I'm filming from both angles. So we got this Fendi. Some cute little, you know. I accidentally like, you know, grabbed these. But yo, I really like these. These are so pretty. Hold on, is it gonna? These are so gorgeous.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis? Coolest breeze that.
What are these? Are these even charms? These are charms. This is beautiful. Tory Burch. This is some bougie shit.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on.
Here's the second layer. Look at all these charms, y'all. Look at all these charms. I'm putting it on my bed, on the floor, not my bed, on the floor, y'all. Because I do not trust putting any of these charms on my bed. But look, this is over. Oh, this is closed. They are in layers, like this shit crazy. I got so many different like styles here. Yeah, I've been waiting for all this stuff to come. Now it's all here. It's like, it's crazy. I'm not really doing too much of a haul because they're literally just, you know, just designer charms with all the Chanel and, you know. Let me try to tip this baby. There's literally like so many charms here.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. You know.
Like, and there's like piles of it. But this is about to be a great photo. And then look, y'all, there's so much more charms here. Oh yeah, and by the way, y'all, some of these charms I do make myself. Some of the charms I do make myself, like the you know, the bears and stuff. But this is not about the bears. This is all designer stuff we're looking at right now. I'll catch y'all later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, y'all just really, you guys just watch me just unbox. That's all this video was. And I unboxed it. But you know, yeah. But I hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, and subscribe if you guys want me. Comment, like, and subscribe if y'all want me to do more videos like this. And why not check out the website? And if y'all want to check out other like tools as well to start up your bangle business, I do have a bunch of links in my Amazon storefront. If you check that out, there, all the links is there for all the tools, all the supplies, and everywhere, and even to get charms as well. So yeah, and why not look at my personal channel as well. But anyway, y'all, toodles, bye bye.